Please close your eyes.
I don't like this.
Jonathan, put your hand in front of his face.
Oh, should I redo this?
Oh, man.
Let me see your forehead.
Oh, God.
Oh my god, you messed it up.
Oh, my God. Oh.
Does it hurt?
This is the stupidest thing we've ever done. Look, that was his eye with his eye. That was his eye with his eye, man. Oh, man. Oh, God damn. I felt it hit me in the face, and then I reached up and I stuck it out of my head.